Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by assessing the brickwork for loose mortar, crumbling edges, or hairline cracks. Remove loose mortar and debris until you reach solid brick and a sound joint. Clean dust with a stiff brush and rinse with water to a damp, not wet, surface. Use a cold chisel or grinder for deep repairs and vacuum residues. Protect surrounding areas with tape and a drop cloth before mixing filler. Note the joint width and depth. Record measurements so you buy the correct quantity and avoid waste. Measure materials precisely. Use a ratio of 1 cement to 3 sand by volume for mortar-style filler, or follow manufacturer mix-on-bagged filler. Add water slowly and stir until you get a paste that holds shape but remains workable. Avoid making it soupy. For polymer or ready-mix filler, mix to package viscosity guidelines. Mix small batches so you use filler within 30 minutes of mixing and prevent waste. Keep temperature between 5 degrees C and 30 degrees C while working. Apply filler by packing it firmly into the joint in 10 mm layers using a pointing trowel or pointing gun. Compact each layer to eliminate voids. Tool the joint flush or concave after it has started to firm, but before full set to compact and shape joints and match existing profiles. Remove excess with a damp sponge and cut edges sharp for neat lines. Cure for 48 hours, misting lightly and protecting from rain or frost, and avoid heavy loads for 7 days to reach practical strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.